He does research over and over. It just improves the information we need to learn that's true and real, compared to our doctors don't tell us everything. This is real and honest care.
I think the number one reason is just a review of what we have learned. I think that's the, you just forget a lot from month to month, or, a lot of them it's every year that he has them, once a year. So in that time frame, you forget a lot of stuff in it, but it's a good review. It's a fantastic material that's presented.
The number one reason I come to the master classes is to stay healthy. I want to make sure that my health and my spine is in order.
Dr. Dan is passionate about teaching the new things that he has learned to his patients, and we want to know what is going on in this industry, and for knowledge and application of the knowledge to better our health. That is what we come here.
I've been coming to Elevation Health for almost 7 years. My goal is to have a better health, take care of myself. Coming to these classes, I have found there's a lot of new ideas out there on ways to improve our health. Each class that we come to is more information. It just helps us to change our lifestyle.
Aside from getting my regular chiropractic adjustments, I attend every workshop that I can. It's been 20 years worth of, so 240 at least, of going to these workshops, because I need to educate myself to live a longer life instead of dying younger from my ignorance.
To learn how to, deal with medical issues and supplements. It's just wonderful, the knowledge that Dr. Dan has about all the things that affect us. And it's just, who would not come here for something, free that would help you enhance your body.
The little tidbits like sugar affects everything, it's totally bad. And needing a minimum of 30 grams of fiber every day. These little details that we could pay attention to in order to get in the right path of a lifestyle, to keep us on the right track for good health.
Probably Dr. Dan's usually right. No, I don't know, you just try to pick one thing and try to apply that to what you're doing to improve your health. There's always something there that you can, there's always plenty of stuff there that you can pick from.
The best takeaway from the masterclass is the ongoing learning that I get. Every time I come, I learn something new and different.
Lifestyle adjustments that we can implement to better our health, and how chiropractic adjustments are also a final foundation to all those things that is going on in our body.
What I take away from these is that I can make changes in my life for the better. There's a lot of information, so it's not, sometimes it's overwhelming, but if I can take a couple good points and make changes in my life, and each class come out with more, each class has different information. They're always upgraded. It's the new information that's out there. It just helps me change my lifestyle.
The things that I can put into use myself, things I learned from him, what supplements I can take, and exercise, different things to keep my body strong and healthy.
I tell him that the doctor is very clear and he doesn't do anything without having researched it or studied your x-rays, any of the such things, and he listens to what you have to say. So he takes everything into consideration before doing that personal program that you need in order to get your subluxations straightened out in your spine.
Just set a goal and try to make it. It's just, I don't know, it works for us. And what we have got out of it between the adjustments and what we've learned and applied is unreal. And it shows in, you know, our everyday life.
I would say if your wellness is important to you, then this is the place where you need to be.
Attend and gain some knowledge and make some small adjustments in our lives to make our life better.
We all have issues, and if you can learn something from Dr. Dan that will help you make your life better and make you healthier, I can't imagine why you would not want to do that, to come and listen to what he has to say, put these things into practice, and get your body in good, healthy shape.